I was looking for a new challenge in my life. I think that sometimes we get very used to the things that we're doing, and I try to find in somewhere around the globe a place where I could develop new skills and to be immersed into a new dynamic environment.
My main goal to enroll to this program was to gain the more confidence and to equip me for the a global international career.
My main goal from this MBA program is to gain the necessary business tools, strategic thinking, and problem-solving skills to have this smooth transition between military and the corporate environment.
Well, I think that the MBA, it's been a great opportunity to broaden my vision and expand my horizons.
The MBA program helped me to develop my decision-making skills because after the graduation, I want to become a project manager in the international organization. And the project manager is necessary to have the skill to make decisions.
In my military career, actually, we had to take decisions, most of the time difficult and based on our instinct. That's why I wanted actually to learn more about strategies which are based on data to get a better decision based on data analysis and not only from our instinct. Additionally, courses like supply chain, operation, and finance helped me manage resources efficiently. During my time in the military, I was responsible for the readiness of the mission.
I think that studying with people from all around the world has expanded my horizons and my vision about the global business. In the past, I used to work in an international company where I used to interact, but from distance with people from all around the world. But normally you're not capable of engaging and creating great bonds with all of those people. So it's been a nice experience for me to interact and to be able to be immersed in a culture which is completely different to yours. So for me, this experience has brought me so much value because I think that I am able to be in someone else's position. People from China, people from Japan, people from India, from Vietnam, and it's something that I've been enjoying so much.
Of course, sometimes we encounter the conflict during the discussion. However, the process of solving these conflicts is a valuable learning experience for me.
This experience has improved my ability to work with different cultures, which is very essential in today's globalized economy.